Today, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth transition using the CC Light Wipe effect in Adobe After Effects. So, let's get started. First, import your clips into After Effects and drag them into a new composition. Place your second clip above the first clip in the timeline where you want the transition to happen. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Light Wipe. Drag the effect onto the top clip. Next, move to the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see several settings for the CC Light Wipe effect. Go to the beginning of the transition and create a keyframe for the completion value at 100%. Then move forward around 1 second and change the completion value to 0%. Now preview the animation. By default, this effect uses an iris wipe from one layer to another while adding a glowing halo effect around the transition point. You can increase or decrease the halo intensity to make the glow stronger or softer. We also have the ability to change the center point. So if I move it to the bottom left corner, the transition will begin from there. I'll reset that back to default. Another useful feature is the shape option. Instead of using circle, I can change it to doors, which creates a linear transition from the center outward. There's also another shape option called square. Unlike doors, it moves in both the X and Y axis. I'll switch that back to doors for now. You can also change the direction to control where the transition comes from. Now the transition moves horizontally instead of vertically. Another great feature is color from source. When enabled, the light rays use colors from the source layer itself, which creates a much more natural looking effect. We can also reverse the transition, so it moves from the outer edges inward toward the center. And if I disable color from source, I can manually choose any color I want for the glow, like a greenish tone. For a smoother animation, select the keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean CC Light Wipe transition in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.